Hello friends, Tiger Coward here. Welcome to day 17 of our Trans-Labrador and East Coast adventure. Today we head into the heart of Acadia, ride along the Miramichi, and have dinner at a place called Pinocchio. Welcome to day 17. We left Sussex this morning at 9:30 under brilliant sunshine and blue skies. We rode through the middle of New Brunswick, and if it were not for the Irving gas stations, Irving forest mills, and Irving paper factories, I could have mistaken it for Central Ontario. It was absolutely beautiful. We continued east until we hit the ocean at Escumunac, after passing through the Kouchibouguac National Park. Across the Baie, we saw a thunderstorm and headed back towards Miramichi. The route along the river was very cool, and so was the town and their majestic bridge. I've never been to Acadia, and it is fantastic.
Desperado, sitting in an old Monte Carlo. We both had our hearts broke on. Take it easy. I'm not trying to go against you. I can be a lone wolf with you. Gotta get up out of here, and you ain't leaving me behind. I know you won't, 'cause we share common interests. You need me, there ain't no leave.
We crossed the river and rode northeast on Highway 113 along the shoreline all the way to Miscou Island. What a neat part of the world. There are fabulous little towns all along the way. We stopped in Shippagan for an amazing dinner at Pinocchio. If you're ever in this area, you have to eat here. We booked into the campsite around 6 o'clock. It was another very nice day of riding in a part of the country that I've never seen before. Tomorrow we're off to Baie National Park, and it's supposed to be fantastic. Go forth with an open mind and, most importantly, an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish.
We could be runaways running from any side of love. Yeah.